Okay, so after 30 days on the FlyLady cleaning system, I'm not embarrassed to take this camera in here without looking at the room first. Let's see what we can find in here. There won't be much. Looks pretty good. The surfaces look clean, the bed's made. The dress I wore yesterday needs hanging up, but otherwise that basket of stuffed animals just kind of sits there. And everything else looks pretty good. I feel a little self-conscious about that pillow I stuffed down there when I make the bed. It doesn't match the bed, so I leave it off the bed. And then my makeup stuff looks really good. Like, that was really dirty and filthy. So I thought I would show you a little bit of my makeup. I turn on a light over here. Like, there was makeup on the outside, and the stuff inside was all jumbled, so that's been all cleaned and tidied. And this little makeup desk I use as a nightstand was a horrible mess. The whole surface was always jumbled full of things and a crowded mess, and it stayed clean. My little bins of lotion and makeup things that I use, aside from a couple things sitting on top loosely, a jumble, it looks pretty good. Let's go check out the master bathroom and see how that looks. The closet was too dark, and I didn't have time this day to drag a light in here to see. But look, the swish and swipe, the bathroom stayed clean. I don't know what that paper towel roll is doing there, really. Let's look into the cabinets, maybe. I think I opened a couple of the cabinets and then decide, oh, actually, maybe looking in here wasn't the best idea because I was at the end of my stuff when I got to sorting and organizing the cabinet, and I didn't do the best job. Those shampoo and conditioners upside down are because I use a dispenser in my shower, and they didn't all fit in the dispenser. But here I am with the camera. I can't stand anything untidy now. I'm trying to tidy it up with the camera. But I sure love this system. It's made our house clean and nice, and I don't ever have to worry if guests come over if my house is a mess. I would definitely recommend it. Give it a try.